We're factoring trinomials today. Let's get started. So today we're looking at x squared minus 15x plus 50. So what we want to do is look at the thing in front of the x squared. Every time you try to factor a trinomial, this is what you want to look for. This is the easiest way to factor. So I'm looking at the a, and since there's no number in front of the x squared, that means that a is equal to 1. Now that's important because if you're going to try this method, a has to be 1. Okay, so since a is equal to 1, there's no number in front of the x squared, we're going to open up two sets of parentheses. In those sets of parentheses, I'm going to put x and x because x times x is x squared. So after that, we're going to analyze 50. Well, I'm either thinking or writing out the factors of 50 because 50 has a couple of them. Well, let's look at the factors of 50. We have for sure 1 times 50, 2 times 25, and 5 times 10. I believe that's it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to make 15 somehow, some way. 5 and 10 do that, but I'm going to make a mistake on purpose. Now, it's okay to do this, right? I tell my students to do this all the time, but just check it, right? We're going to use the add test. We're going to use the multiply test. Well, if we add those two, 5 plus negative 10 gives me a negative 5. It has to give me negative 15, so it failed automatically. And if you look at the other test, well, 5 times negative 10 gives me negative 50, and I need a positive 50, as you can see. So this is wrong. Now, let's change it to what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be, and let's see here. Let's make this change. X minus 5 times x minus 10. Now, this passes both tests, right? If we look at the addition test, we have negative 5 plus a negative 10, which gives me a negative 15 in the middle. And then we have the multiplication test, which is negative 5 times negative 10, which gives me a positive 50 on the outside. So this thing checks out right here. So if you're trying to answer this question, x squared minus 15x plus 50 factors into x minus 5 times x minus 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, please make sure to leave them in the comment section.